coriander seeds, crushed, cumin seeds, crushed, black pepper, green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, onion, garlic, tomato, green chilies, ginger. Goat meat 1 kilogram. Add onion, garlic. Add dry spices. Tomato, green chilies, ginger, make a paste. Paste add in meat. Add 1 liter water. Red chili powder, salt to taste, turmeric powder. Add in meat. Mix well. After boiling water, whistle 15 minutes. After steam, release, open the lid. Add half cup oil. Fry well. Oil should be separate. Potatoes, 500 g. Add in meat. Mix and fry well. Add 1 liter water. After boiling water, whistle 3 minutes. After steam release, open the lid. Sprinkle garam masala. Like, share, subscribe. Kun Food Official.